What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy V, and we back in this mud with another video, man. We finally got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max here, man. Hopefully you guys can see this, man. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this phone for a very long time, and the time has finally came. Be expecting a lot of content with this particular device here. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you guys see, man, we have it in the silver colorway. I was definitely planning on getting the orange. You know, I was feeling the orange, but then I kind of changed my mind about the color, man. Y'all know I like to keep things basic and simple. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I know y'all done seen the unboxing 1,000 times, but ain't nothing like a be twice unboxing, you know. Boom. Tab 1. Tab 2 is off. Let's see. If y'all know Apple like I know Apple, they don't really include much inside the box. You're only gonna get 2 items max, which is the device and the charger. That's all you get. As you guys see here, man. Wow, this is actually fairly light, man. Oh, that's dope right there. Hope you guys can see that. That's dope. This is not as big as I thought it was gonna be. This is the Pro Max. It's not as big as I thought. Now the screen size is bigger than the current phone that I'm using, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you guys see here, man. And we're gonna get into like all the accessories and stuff like that later. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Sub up, drop a like, follow, all those good things. And again, super light phone. It actually, I think it's thinner than my 15 Pro Max, if I'm not mistaken. I'm about to do a comparison, but very dope. Again, iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro Max in the silver colorway. Y'all get in the comments, y'all let me know which color y'all like the most out of the 3, because you only get 3 options with the Pro version, which is the blue, the orange, and the silver. I definitely got to get a screen protector for this, but 3 camera modules on the back. They changed up the design, as you guys see here, to add to the flash, and I believe that's like some type of sensor right there compared to the 15 here, which is a bit outdated, but hey, still works perfectly fine. For those who are wondering, if you want to get an older iPhone and save some macaronis, please feel free to do so, because the big dog gonna cost big money for sure. This is unboxing. I forgot to show y'all the cable. Here's the cable right here that it comes with the charger. Again, you only get 2 items in the box, and the rest is just pretty much stickers and like manuals and things of that nature. I highly recommend that you guys go with like a different type of cable, like a longer cable. It would be more beneficial for you, especially for those who are like using it at home, or you might, you know, the extended cables are way longer. I think a 6-foot to a 10-foot cable would probably be more ideal, but that's just my personal preference. Let's do a real quick boot up real quick so you guys can see if it boots up. I'm not sure if it's charged or not. Oh yeah, it is. It's coming on, it's cutting on, it's cutting on. Let's see if they change anything up from the boot up. Oh, this is in Japanese. That's terrible. I said, hola, ¿cómo estás? You guys get in the comments, let me know your thoughts and opinions below about the silver colorway. Would you would have went with a different color, or you would have chose this one? I'm sweating out here. I gotta go, man. It's hot in the mother. I ain't even gonna hold you. Appreciate the love, support, man. Y'all make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, all those great things if y'all want to see more content like this. And I got you. Peace.